What's popping on this beautiful day? As you can see, we are on a walking track, and I wanted to see how easy or difficult it would be to stay in line. Equilibrium was moderate.
So bold. Good.
I love style and fashion. I can't even focus on that right now because all I do is fix my clothes. Basically hide the fact that I'm big. Literally can't stand being around myself.
Okay, one person. Oh, they got a little mouse and everything. Oh, you could even choose Daisy. Damn, is that her energy? Yeah. Oh, she jumped high. Yeah. Oh. Oh, no. Oh, this is so... I'm doing like my grade school years and just playing for the free. But really, I'm just testing out the system. I don't even have to press nothing to drive. Like, how do I go fast? Okay, that's the brake. Alright. It corrects you if you go the wrong way. Oh, I lost. Oh, my. Oh, they give me a whole different... I don't know what I'm supposed to do. How do I use my... I don't know how to use my power-ups. They keep knocking the fuck out of me. Oh, there we go. I got it. Oh, look at all these power-ups. They just keep giving you power-ups. Oh my gosh, what is this? Look at this fucking screen. It take up my whole screen. Some Japanese chili chips that I'm trying to taste. You heard me? This day, I had the extravagant idea to make bulldog lasagna, and let me tell you, I am not disappointed. this footage is a little disheartening to watch because my camera was beheaded in the middle of this. I did end up opening a couple packs of ramen that I didn't need to use, so of course I had to cook that up because we are not letting the bulldog go to waste. No, I didn't eat it all. My family, they kind of enjoyed it for the night. Putting this American cheese on the top, I feel like wasn't a good move because it didn't melt like how I thought it would. So I'm not going to do that anymore. But nevertheless, the meal still came out a perfect 10 out of 10. I ate like half of this pan that night. It was that good, and it was easily digestible. I'm so surprised. I did use ground turkey instead of ground beef, but yeah, this was amazing. 10 out of 10 recommend. 10 out of 10 would do again. And I had used the stew type ramen noodles.
That's practically nothing.
Think about it. Can you honestly say you've ever met someone else who sees curses?
Guess not.
Because Jujutsu sorcerers, they're rare.
No one else understands what cursed spirits taste like. It tastes like swallowing down a dirty rag used to clean up shit and vomit.